Before I start this initial impressions and hands-on video of these TWS I2000s, in full disclosure, these were sent to me for free from GearBest. Airpods totally made truly wireless headphones more of a mainstream thing. And when people talk about truly wireless headphones, it's kind of ubiquitous to Airpods. GearBest just sent me out these TWS I2000s, which are basically a perfect clone in regards to function of Apple's AirPods, including a W1 chip, pop-up animations, and case charging like being displayed. And so far, my initial impressions of these have been great. I use them on my friend's iPhone XS Max. The sound quality is pretty good. The touch controls are fantastic. And they have the in-ear sensor. And I couldn't help but immediately draw the comparison when I got these to when I had my Xiaomi Mi Air 2 headphones. Because ultimately, these headphones are around the $45, $50 mark, almost identical to the same price as the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 headphones. And right off the bat, these fake AirPods, as an Android user, gave me a better user experience than the Mi Air 2. And this is why. First, when you get the case of these is smaller than the Mi Air 2. Significantly smaller. Also, this is a smart case. It doesn't work necessarily with Android phones, and it doesn't give you a pop-up animation, but it does have the W1 chip, and it does pop up when you go ahead and you connect it to an iPhone. So Xiaomi wanted you to go ahead and use their Xiao AI app in Mandarin to go ahead and customize the controls of the Mi Air 2 headphones. These have full playback controls with no app support, meaning you can play, pause, skip, and summons assistant with no external app integration needed. These have the same proximity sensors as the Mi Air 2 headphones, and on top of that, when you open up the lid of the case, just like the Mi Air 2, they begin pairing with your device over Bluetooth. So up to this point, these fake AirPods for $40 did and matched everything that the Mi Air 2 headphones had at a cheaper price. Talk about fit and finish and whatnot. Now, the Mi Air 2 headphones are made pretty well. I have them, I like them. They weren't necessarily cheap feeling, but these, which are fake AirPods, feel just as well made as the Mi Air 2. There's no discrepancy in perceived quality, maybe slightly in like the rugged sturdiness of the hinge mechanism for it, but like it's not a significant difference, and it's definitely better than the other fake AirPods, which I'll have a link to that I reviewed up here. Like this hinge mechanism feels pretty good. Next, I want to talk about the fit. Now, I do not like this style of headphones at all. That being said, they fit in my ear better than the Xiaomi headphones did. And because they fit in my ear better, they provide more bass and like ultimately a better sound. So this got me thinking, because this is only an initial review of these. If these were the same price as the Mi Air 2 headphones, if these were charging via USB Type-C, and I'll look for another pair that might charge via USB Type-C, although the Apple Lightning connector is cheap and easily available, which headphones would I rather have? And ultimately, I think that the more convenient option for most people is actually these, because they feature the same true mono mode as the Mi Air 2. K20 Pro didn't get the update to the LDHC yet, or at least last month I checked. And so these are like just as convenient for cheaper. I'll have a link to where you can get these on GearBest because they sent them to me. I'll also have links for them on AliExpress and other places. But if you guys buy them through GearBest, it goes a long way towards helping my channel. On a closing note, I'm just really surprised that like a fake product or a product that like shouldn't be that nice actually provided me a really good user experience out of the box on a non-Apple device. And it's really shocking to me that this company could do something like that. And even though the specs on paper wouldn't be as good as like the Mi Air 2, the initial user experience is tangibly better. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. I would love to further the conversation about these and about like the idea of high quality fake AirPods versus like mid-range entry level like truly wireless headphones. Yeah, let's just talk about that. Okay, till next time, it's Mitchell coming to you guys from Hanoi. Hua Bing. Peace.